Hey, this is Andrea Praver with Great Expectations Realty. I just wanted to invite you guys to our homebuyer workshop. We have them every month. This one is going to be on April 13th. So it's coming up quick. Got it in about 10 days. So this one is going to be here at our office at Great Expectations Realty. So it's 3201 Southwest 34th Avenue, Suite 101 here in Ocala, Florida. We're really close to the Paddock Mall, so kind of centrally located. So what happens at a homebuyer workshop? I know everybody's like, oh no, they're going to come in and it's going to be like, you know, some shaming for credit or something like that. No, it's nothing like that. We do have a mortgage lender come in, Eric Eckenroth over at PNC Bank. He is actually going to come in and we're going to set him in a separate room, so it's all confidential or whatever. But he's going to, go ahead and pull your credit and see what you need to work on in order to qualify to buy a home. Or if you qualify right now, he's going to let you know how much you qualify for. So that's basically your ticket to understanding where you're at right now and where you need to be, which is an awesome thing to know. So many people are so scared that they're going to get a huge no and, that they're going to be like shamed or embarrassed or something like that, that they don't even try. Okay, at least try. Okay, we've all been there. We are all there. Okay, we're not like some kind of rich elite people or something crazy like that. Okay, this is life. This is real life. Every day I see people come in and pay their rent. Because we do property management. They come in and they pay their rent and they pay their rent and they pay their rent, and it breaks my heart every time because these people are not doing anything for their future. They're just paying rent. They're stuck in the same place. And that's not what I want for people. Every single person should have the opportunity to purchase their own home, to live in their own home, not have landlords, not have me coming in and doing inspections and checking their AC filter or something like that. Have your own home. If you want an aggressive dog breed, go for it. Have 3 pit bulls and 2 German shepherds. Go for it. Okay, that's your home. You can do as you like with your home. That's amazing. Okay, it's absolutely amazing. Do that. We will help you do that. Okay, so we're not going to come in and be like, oh, you've got like a 400 credit score. It's not like that at all. We're so excited when somebody comes in because they're at least trying. Okay, we want you to try. If you do come in and you're not quite ready to purchase a home right now, that's okay. We can work with that. Okay, you can have that 400 credit score or something, or 300, or have no credit score or whatever. We can help you. We actually have some great relationships with some of the credit unions in the area. They actually have great programs. They have GTE Financial. They're just across the street. They have a fantastic program for people that are working on their credit, and they will literally guide you step by step on what you need to do in order to qualify for a home. It's a fantastic opportunity to work with them. Okay, so something else that we do for anybody that shows up, we actually give them the Dave Ramsey Total Money Makeover, which this is a $20 book, and we give it to people. We literally give it away because I love Dave Ramsey. I love his programs. I think he has common sense when it comes to money and budgeting and stuff. And a lot of times people just don't know how to budget. It's just a basic thing that they were never really taught in school. It's crazy. You learn calculus, you learn major statistics, you learn all sorts of stuff. My daughter, she's in 5th grade. She's learning the isosceles triangle. Honey, you're not going to need the isosceles triangle. You're going to need to know how to balance a checkbook. Okay? So this helps you. It lets you know what kind of life insurance to get if you get life insurance. It goes into, and it's funny and it's entertaining. That's really helpful with a financial book because I'm not a huge numbers person, but I can understand this and I can get what he's saying right away. So I absolutely love Dave Ramsey. I love his radio show and stuff that he's been doing for forever and a day. So we give one of those books to anybody that shows up. If you are basically ready to purchase a home, or you basically just need to work on a few small things or whatever, that's great too. We have realtors here that will work with you one-on-one to figure out what kind of home, what area, and actually look and see if the pricing is right where you need to be at. how much is your mortgage going to be, how much is the insurance, the taxes, all of that kind of stuff, and figure it out. And normally it's less than what you're paying in rent. It's less. So we have all of that going on. We also have like a kids corner. So if you bring your kids, we have, you know, tablets they can play on. We have coloring books. We have all sorts of stuff going on with that. We also provide dinner. So if you guys come in and it's just after hours and everything, and you want to have dinner provided, we have that. We have everything. So all we need is you. So just show up. We're here to help. Thanks so much, and we'll talk to you soon.